In this video, we'll explain how you can use the train from Suvarnabhumi Airport into the city center of Bangkok, also known by the Airport Rail Link system. We'll show you exactly where you can find the rail link, how to buy a ticket, and where to go, since you're watching Yes and Explore, where we help you travel smarter, not harder. The Airport Rail Link is an easy way to get from the airport to downtown Bangkok quickly. While we do prefer to take a taxi when we're traveling with lots of luggage, the Airport Rail Link is a great option if you're traveling with only a carry-on and want to get into the city fast. So what is the Airport Rail Link, you may ask? Well, it's a commuter train connecting the international airport to Phaya Thai station, which is in central Bangkok. And the best part is, it gets you there in around 30 minutes. Once you've cleared immigrations and customs and find yourself in the arrival hall, the airport train is really easy to find. After stepping into the arrival hall on the second floor, you'll have to make your way to the basement area of the airport. So just look for the signs that say Airport Rail Link and you can follow the escalators down. When you've made it all the way to the basement area, you can simply continue to follow the signs and make your way to the ticket machines. It's really important to know that you can only pay for your ticket in cash. So make sure to withdraw money before and/or exchange some cash, preferably also in the basement area as well, as that is where you will get the best exchange rate. If you want to know more about this, check out our previous video where we go into detail about all the things you need to know before arriving in Thailand. When you go up to the machines, there are two stations that may be interesting for you. Either station Makkasan, which connects to the MRT metro line at Phetchaburi station, or you can buy a ticket to Phaya Thai, where you can connect to the BTS SkyTrain and easily make your way into the Siam area of the city. Alright, so you've inserted your money and in return you'll receive this token with a chip. Keep a hold of it because you'll need it until you leave the station at your destination. With the token, you can check in and then make your way to the train platform. Once you're at the platform, you will have to wait until the train is cleared by the attendant and only then you'll be able to board the train. From there on, it's about a 25-minute train ride, and if you've arrived during rush hour, you'll notice many cars standing still on the highway as you're zooming by comfortably in the train. The sixth stop of the train will be at station Makkasan and will be indicated as stop A6. From Makkasan station, you can connect to the city's underground train system, also known as the MRT. Follow the sign for MRT as you exit, and once you're there, you'll need to buy a new ticket to get to your next stop. Bonus tip, you can use a contactless credit card to travel, so you don't have to stand in line for a ticket. You just tap on and that's it. If you're staying in the train until Phaya Thai, you'll have to wait 2 stations longer until you reach A8 and then make your way out. It's also the last station of the Airport Rail Link, so you can't really miss it. From there on, you make your way down and decide to either get a Grab or a regular taxi, or continue your public transport adventure and take the BTS SkyTrain. The station name for the Rail Link and the BTS are the same, which is Phaya Thai, but do keep in mind that you'll need a different ticket to get onto the BTS. As for the payment method, you can either get a ticket at one of the machines or at the desk, and alternatively, you can purchase a rabbit card and store value on it so you can use the BTS easily throughout your trip. All payments need to be done in cash if you're a foreigner without a Thai bank account. Alright, that's it for the Airport Rail Link getting you into the city center. What you do in Bangkok is up to you. Go enjoy this beautiful and diverse city and have yourself a nice mango sticky rice. In our next video, we'll tell you all about which areas to stay at and which hotels we recommend. If you want to see those and more, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel at Yes and Explore. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!